This video gives detailed instructions on download, installation, licensing, activation, and qualification of EverTest. You can download the current EverTest software on the EverBits.com by using the links below. Please preserve the copies of the downloaded EverTest executables to be able to downgrade or move your EverTest software to other computers if it is needed in your production process. You shall be responsible for keeping the correct copies of the software under version control, as it is required by the project configuration management. For the EverTest installation, you can double-click on the EverTest installer executable. Microsoft Defender blocks the installation. Please open the detailed information screen and allow Windows to install the software. Now you can choose the installation folder. You may use multiple versions of EverTest software if you install it in different directories. And you can combine those EverTest versions with different versions of MATLAB software by using the MATLAB path. The EverTest software is compatible with all the versions of MATLAB. The EverTest software does not require a lot of space on your computer, as it is fully integrated in MATLAB. During the installation, you can register the EverTest software in the related MATLAB releases. For this, you will need the administrator rights on your computer. All MATLAB instances shall be stopped and not running on your computer. If you do not have the administrator rights, please skip this step and use the Path Tool interface in your related MATLAB version to register the EverTest installation folder. Please note that only one EverTest folder shall be registered on MATLAB path for any MATLAB instance, and that you will need to restart MATLAB after such manual registration. After successful installation, you will need a valid license. To request a license file, please first generate a unique computer ID for EverTest after EverTest was installed and registered in MATLAB. You can use the EverTest user interface or do it in MATLAB. Please enter EverTest support in the MATLAB command window. The unique computer ID will be generated and you can click on the email link to send an email to EverBits support and request a license for your computer. Please also notify what's your name, phone number, and company address. We will then provide a valid license file or contact you if needed. After receiving the valid license file, you can activate the license. You can activate the EverTest license by using the EverTest user interface, or do it in MATLAB by using the command line API, or just by copying the license file in the EverTest installation folder. After activation of the license file, you can run the validation test in the pre-installed qualification folder. This step is necessary for safety-critical projects. Please change to the Qualification Kit folder in the EverTest installation directory and run the validation test script. The validity of the EverTest software will be checked automatically on multiple models. The real verification results on your system will be compared with the expected results on the vendor system. You will receive a validation report for your certification documentation. The procedure is fully compliant with ISO 26262 ASIL-D requirements. The safety manual is provided with the EverTest documentation. You can open the MATLAB help for supplemental software, go to EverTest, an open safety manual for more information, so please use the EverTest documentation to learn EverTest and model-based design. You can also open the EverTest help by using the EverTest user interface. Please note that the same installation workflow is applicable to EverCheck software. Please follow the links below to download the EverCheck and EverTest software.